I think this one's like tomatoey.
Yeah. Surfboard? What is the vibe in here? I'm doing ASMR. Honestly, I wanted this one, or this one. And of course I got the two I didn't want, but that's my gacha luck. Whoa! I forgot I was doing ASMR. This one was from Kyoto. I wanted this one, or this one, or this one. And of course I got that one. The matcha one would have been so cute. I should have tried more. I think each of them were like 300 yen. My nails are fugly. I'm getting them done tomorrow. This one's a real Akuma. Honestly, any of these would have been fine. They're all the bears, so. The rest of our group left. Now it's just me and this guy. Just kidding. But yeah, we're just resting. Then we're going shopping later. Let me put my pins on. And I'll do a what's in my bag. We were in Tokyo. Well, we're still in Tokyo, right? Where are we?
Tsukiji.
Tsukiji. We were in Shibuya. We're gonna be here, and then his. Come on, turn on this TikTok. His dad is coming tomorrow, and then we have like a weekend here left, so a couple more days left. Okay, now I'm gonna do what's in my bag. I got this bag from my cousin. It's a hand-me-down. It's a North Face. It has a little strap moment here, and also a strap here. So I've been wearing it like this. When I went to Europe, I had this bag. It was like the COS bag, but it was a fake one from Shein. There was no structure. It was so annoying getting everything out from there. But here, I've been putting this on. And I had my Hello Kitty in her little kimono on here, but then there's a stain on the back of her head now, so I took it off. First big pocket here. It opens all the way like this. Whoops. Like this, I mean. So, a lot of opening. First thing, another bag. This is the bottom part for the DJI Osmo Pocket. And here's a tripod. Spin it on. You can put it anywhere. It's just the wire for charging. This is the light that I brought. I only used it once. I was thinking that we would go to like street food and stuff and I could use this, but I didn't. It's a pretty good light. I also had my AirPods in there. That's all that's in here. Hustle Butter. Shout out Brittany and Mint. They gave it to me for my new tattoo, which is doing pretty good, I think. My Gentle Monster glasses just in there with no case because I'm crazy. This is the charger for the DJI Pocket. This big case was in there when I would cover my camera. I have two lenses at the bottom. Black Pro Mist CPL one. This one. Next is the back pocket. So I put essentials so it wouldn't get stolen. First, my passport. Also has my credit card, cash, receipts and such, tissues, wet naps, vitamins, Advil, allergy medicine, and a mask. Last pocket is the front one here. Hand sanitizer. Shuki keychain I got from the Line store. It was a gacha also. There's also a zipper within the zipper for this first pocket. My lens cases, and then this is a key for my check-in luggage. Charger, portable charger. Lip gloss. Because in Europe, my lips were so disgustingly dry when I watched the vlogs. Lip gloss. My Octobuddy, which I never used. Chocolate I got from Mount Fuji Hotel. Also, my mic is in my bag. And that's what's in my bag. 360 on. This is where we were the first day we were here when we landed. But we were so tired that I did not vlog. Now I'm alive and we're back. We just went to GU and the Uniqlo store, but the Uniqlo store closed at 9 and we went there at 8:30 and there's 11 floors. It was crazy. So we're gonna go back tomorrow. I'm gonna look for something else. We got a South Park pork.
Park.
Fish.
I kind of want to eat the red beef.
Okay, I wanted the custard. Look at that tree.
You got regular Coke?
Sure. Pretty good.
What is this?
Yesterday I knocked out before we could try these. Papico Muscat of Alexandria. What the heck? They literally put on Spider-Verse. I fell asleep within 5 minutes. Also, we had to check out of this room and then check into another room in the same hotel, which is why I have to eat this now. Oh. You want one? Oh, my new skirt. Tastes like those Asian candies that are also in this little refreshing. I'm gonna get my nails done today. Don't know what I'm doing yet.
Morning walk.
Yeah. It's 10 a.m. We just checked out of the hotel and we're gonna go find some lunch. We're wearing our new clothes. I'm wearing my new skirt and he's wearing his new pants. They look good.
And my new jacket.
And my shoes are so squeaky. We were 100 cents off of what he wanted.
More crispy.
Yeah. I should do a ASMR. I didn't turn the fucking mic on. I can really hear it.
The shrimp is good. Do you want where my dad can go?
Big lobster club. I walked about 10 minutes by myself to the nails appointment. It's at 12:30 and it's 12:14 right now. So I think I did some smeeski nails. Don Quixote. It's kind of like Trader Joe's vibes.
장어국밥 2개, 야채 2개. 매실 시소나물.
I don't know what it tastes like.
냉국 먹기 뭐 해서 그거 먹는 거야.
카톡에 올려야지. 알파. 이게 여기는 괜찮네. 나머지는 약간 바지를
It's just me in the room. My boyfriend went to go drink with his dad, so now I'm gonna show you my nails. I'll try to show it in better lighting tomorrow, but it's over freaking cute. We went to Asakusa, and in the Uniqlo they had one of those gachas, so I had to. It doesn't quite match the vibe, but it's still cute. I'm gonna show my Uniqlo haul too. First thing I got was this t-shirt, 1990 yen. What do you call this? Ruffled? I'm not sure, but they're like a cool texture, flowy pants. This was $29.90. This bag, classic Uniqlo bag. I had the smaller one at first, but I'm a girl, big girl belly. Big girl belly. Big girl bag. Big bag girly. $29.90. Mount Fuji shirt. $1,500. Kids pants. It's just, that vibe. $22.90. I got this skirt at GU yesterday though. Oh my god, Jesus. Classic white skirt. Also went to Don Quixote again. I didn't get a basket so that I wouldn't grab too many things, and then I had like all this stuff in my hand still. I was just supposed to grab some stuff for my sister that she wanted, and then I saw this, and then I saw that, and then I saw this, and then my boyfriend's dad came up from behind me.
My boyfriend didn't even go in because he's like, no, I'm not dealing with that. And this one wasn't too bad. This one wasn't that busy. But I guess he has trauma in that store. He's been there for too long. And the other ones, they play Don Quixote song over and over and over. I eventually tuned it out. I don't think he can. He starts freaking out there, I think. More like he just needs iPhone time.
But yeah, my boyfriend's dad saw me. He was like, what are you doing? And I was like, you caught me. And then I stopped shopping right there. But I found a snack. I was trying to look up what the flavors were, but it just said like chocolate and then baked pie. Said you could roast them too. I was scared it was gonna be like acorn flavored or something because there's squirrels on there, but it looks like really flaky. Kind of just smells like those classic chocolate biscuits. The flaky texture isn't really giving what I thought. It's not as airy and puffy. It's quite dense actually. I'm gonna rate it like a 2 out of 10. Not that good. It's not like terrible. Let me take that back. I'll say like 4 out of 10. For the rest of the night, just gotta do laundry. I'm gonna try to reorganize a bit. And then tomorrow, what's tomorrow even?